First thing first, search the rufus.ie. Then after that, download Rufus 4.15. After download, right click, then click run. Do you want to allow this up? So click yes. Then lalabas na yung drive properties. So device 32 gig, boot selection, this or ISO image. So browse install Win7, click open, then check the partition sim and the target system, and rename the volume label. So I put Windows 7. Then after that, check the file system which is NTFS, and the cluster size 4096 bytes. Then click start, then waiting. So after nun, punta tayo sa File Explorer. Hanapin natin yung ginawa nating Windows 7. So yun, right click, click open. So yan yung ginawa nating Windows 7 bootable.